Shetland duck is actually a critically endangered breed of domestic duck. However, this species is known as black duck. They are very strong and hardy birds, and they generally require less caring and other management. So, starting commercial Shetland duck farming business is relatively easy. The Shetland duck is raised mainly for eggs production. Drakes weigh about 2 kilograms, and ducks weigh about 1.8 kilograms. There must be a pond to rearing these ducks. They are considered calm and friendly. Shetlands do not usually fly, but some are capable of becoming airborne. They're black ducks, usually with a white bib, although some individuals lack this bib. Shetland ducks gain more white feathers as they age. Some turn completely white in old age. However, they have a white breast, and sometimes white spots on the head too. You can purchase either Shetland ducklings or mature birds for starting the business. You can search and purchase the breed from any of your nearest duck breeding centers or existing duck farms. You can also ask for help from an expert while purchasing ducks, if you are a beginner. Making a good housing facilities is important for Shetland duck farming business. While building the house, install good ventilation system and ensure flow of sufficient amount of fresh air and light inside the house. Make the house in such a way so that you can easily clean the house. On average, a mature Shetland duck will require between 3 and 4 square feet of housing space. Always try to feed your ducks with enough good and nutritious food as per their demand. You can either feed your ducks with ready-made or commercial duck feed or poultry feed, depending on the availability in your area. A mature Shetland duck will require around 130 grams of feed daily. And always provide them with enough clean and fresh drinking water as per their demand. They're very active and are excellent foragers, easily able to find much of their food requirements through independent foraging. Generally, one mature male duck is enough for breeding 5 to 6 female ducks. They lay about 200 eggs a year and tend to go broody easily. Their eggs are extremely large and are usually white or gray, sometimes even green. Shetland ducks begin egg production at the age of 4 months. After 2 years, egg production is low. Their bill and foot color is sex-linked. Normally, ducks have black or brownish-black bills and feet, while drakes have dark olive-green bills, sometimes partially yellow, and black feet, sometimes blue or greenish, often with spots of orange. Always try to take good care of your ducks. And try to keep good contact with an experienced vet in your area. Ducks products have very good demand and value in the market. So, you will probably be able to easily sell your products in the local market. Although, you should set your marketing strategies before starting this business.